Now second is centisimal system. Number 2, and this is called French system. Now what is the difference? Now in this system, a right angle is divided into, now in this sexagesimal system we divided right angle into 90 equal parts, but here a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. Into 100 equal parts, each part is called grade. Each part is called grade. Now, each grade is divided into 100 equal parts called minutes. And each minute is divided into 100 equal parts called seconds. Now what the difference was there? 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, but here 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. Okay. So now what table says? One right angle is equal to 100 grades, denoted as 100, and here it is written G. Okay, power, degree, that is written as a G. Now 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. Denoted as 100 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. So this is the difference for sexagesimal and centisimal system. French system, centisimal, and sexagesimal English system. Okay, so this is table for centesimal, that was the table for sexagesimal.